god. What the? What's going on, guys? We're back again. We are in Cali, Huntington Beach. There's a crazy show going on. I saw like supercars, hypercars. I don't know anything about these cars, but I'm gonna look around and see what they have. They're so sick. Blacked out. So aggressive. Damn. Another GT3. These are everywhere here.
Car's the red one. It's open. Oh shit, dude! Next level. When we did that high-speed run, we should slide
Bro, oh my god. What the? Oh my god. Gee. Insane. Bro, I'm running to catch these cars. I'm out of breath. Bro. Oh my god. Bro. have no idea what just happened, bro. It's crazy. Everybody just started running everywhere, just following. Insane. This man's hoodie. Jesus. Freaking spaceship, bro. Look at this. Jesus. This purple carbon. My God. The whole thing is carbon. Purple. Insane. Oh my God. In front. Aggressive. Jesus. Then the Bugatti just chilling here. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. This thing is so insane. Look at this big ass wing. Sorry. Look at the cockpit. You can see through the door. My God. Then we have the other Pagani we saw rolling in right here. Look at those side mirrors. SVJ. One of 25. I love this one though, blacked out. It's like an insane amount of people out here though. So hard to film. SDO got that drag pack on. Look at this. I think it's twin turbo. You can see it in there. See that? Crazy. So much craziness within like 10 minutes. So many crazy cars. There's a bunch of people out here, man. Look at these. These look crazy with the liveries on. SVJ with the Red Bull livery. So sick. So we just keep walking here. And then look what we have here. Pretty much impossible to get cinematic shots. It's way too many people. We're gonna have to wing it just vlog style the whole time. I didn't really know much about this event. My brother's really the one that knows about all the hypercars and stuff like that, but it's an insane turnout. Crazy cars. Look at this. Like, it's ridiculous. So the crazy part about this event is that it's not just like a cars and coffee. It's like a, I guess, helicopters slash cars and coffee. I don't know. It's just different, I guess. I love all the new GT3 RSs, but something about this old body style is so good. This is so clean. On the Advance too. So good. This wing looks crazy aggressive on it too, bro. Damn. What the hell? Bro. LaFerrari just chilling. 919 again. Big ass helicopter next to him. Jesus. Crazy this interior is. Wild. Look at that. Crazy. These are so beautiful. Look at this. Centenario. This car is so crazy looking. Full carbon too. Oh my god. Rear this car, bro. My god. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. 1 of 20. Ridiculous. Bro. Look at this. This thing is so crazy looking. 505. Same guy wants this, that, this here, Centenario.
It's Lambo.
And then there's a Koenigsegg right there he owns as well, and a full carbon Porsche over there, same owner. It's insane. This view is crazy. Koenigsegg, helicopter, palms in the back. So crazy. Look at this. Jesus. They got the world record car here from 2017. Crazy, bro. This just pulled up. 1 of 1. This color, bro. Look at that.
We'll probably go in.
Alright, you go, I'm gonna back.
Oh my god. This spec is like the craziest spec here, bro. Like midnight purple. Full carbon.
Yeah, we're right here.
Oh my god.
Take a picture more of like the stars
You go, bro.
of the week. This area. Yes.
Nineties, bro. Just one back there. Another green one right here. This one here. The one that just pulled up. It's crazy. I've been trying to get cinematic shots, but there's way too many people. It's impossible to even film. Oh my god.
Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going!
put it in the back of their car.
All right, the show should be ending soon. Everybody's wilding out though. Everybody's going crazy on the road. I just came across the street to try to get a better view because everybody's just all over the road. You can't see anything. But yeah, we have about like 40 minutes left to show. Sheesh. That. So many SVJs in one place. Then the new Revolta right here. So fire. Just like 6 or 5 Paganis here as well. Can't get over this car. It's insane. Such an aggressive looking car, bro. Crazy. We went from all those dancers in Gatlinburg last weekend to all these hypercars over here. It's crazy. It's such a crazy change. I can appreciate all of them, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know a whole lot about these cars, but they're so insane. So crazy to see. Bro, this one got under the truck. What the hell? Full SLR. The Murcielago SV, bro. Jeez, look at that. Oh my god. Crazy. Alright, it's not for everybody to leave. It's about to get crazy. Oh my god. Look at this lineup, bro. Jeez. My god. Bugatti pulling up now. My god. Sheesh. Damn. Sheesh. This is so insane, bro. Pisa right here, Murcielago over there, Koenigsegg right there. What the hell, bro? Holy shit, bro. We're gonna leave it off for today. It was a crazy event, but I have a couple other plans while I'm out here in Cali, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this event was super crazy, man. The cars out here is like the craziest cars I've ever seen. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy seeing that. Catch you guys in the next one.